This is how you're going to give AI the right prompts. This is the prompts I'm using that gives me realistic image. Oh my gosh. Now listen. Now let's come down to our description box. When you come down to advanced features, advanced settings, sorry. So I'll be picking this very this very AI character, the first one, Lumia Act. Then I'll come down. I'd like you to rate me. Okay, Lumia Act is just 2. So I pick this one and I choose 4. Then I come down here. Then how I generate I'll just type dark skin, then I'll give a space, and then I'm gonna just type something like this. Let's say for example, I need a girl, I need 2 ladies, maybe Amaka and Amanda, that are going to the stream, and then native, like in a local African epic attire. Now this is what I'm gonna do. I'll just say 2 young girls, 25. Amaka is 25 years old, while Amanda is 27 years old. With dressed in a native Africa epic dressed in a native African epic dress, going to fetch water from the stream. Okay, I hope you guys are following. So we are done. So these are prompts now. So what we're gonna do now, just hit the send button. So just we say make then we're gonna add realistic, high quality, and then we hit the send button. Now let's watch AI generate our image for us, where we just watch and then listen. So guys, if you really like what I'm doing, support me by liking this video so others will see, and subscribe to my channel also. Try and subscribe. These images are generated for free. If you want to learn how to generate image for free, that you're not going to be paying anything, just check the description of this video. I will drop the link on how you can do that. So guys, here is the result we got. So you can just choose the one you like here. These are young ladies. So you can see what we have. If you don't like it, you go back and then regenerate your images. You give it a prompt that suits. Wow, I guess you like this video. Of course you will like it. Now who will not like free thing when you can generate image for free? Tell me you're not liking it. Come on guys, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.